otherwise red to explain the concept. Yes, it is a gate. Don't compare the branches. For triple also they asked. I covered that model also. Gate ECE 2014 set number 4 question. Set number 4. We got one question from state state transition matrix. State transition matrix phi of t of a system is, check it out. The given one, x dot x1 dot x2 dot means number of state variables is 2. That's why order of a matrix is 2 by 2. I told the order of a system matrix A is number of the state variable. Check it. It is 2 by 2. If you compare the given one, this is nothing but x dot equal to ax only. What about plus b into u of t? Input is 0. That's why there is no b. Anyway, I will explain as per the procedure. After that, otherwise let me explain first shortcut. All our anxiety with shortcut. Let me first write state equation. In general, state equation equal to x dot equal to a into x of t plus b into u of t. If u of t equal to 0, then state equation will become as a x dot equal to a into x of t. Yes, they given a into x of t. In this case, they assumed input is 0. Now we can write this one as a, this is nothing but dx by dt is equal to a into x of t. Anyway, so state transition matrix they are asking. What is the formula for state transition matrix? Means state transition matrix. I'm getting good handwriting compared to Jyoti Abhirami. Yes or no? Jyoti Abhirami? Nisanapa, you want writing my GA questions on the board? Okay, thank you. Let me use a different color. Yes, state transition matrix is given by phi of t is equal to, first I will explain the shortcut after the procedure. L inverse Si minus A whole inverse that equal to e power at. For shortcut, I'm going to consider these two. For shortcut, I'm going to consider these two. If you want in terms of concept, then I'm going to apply L inverse. And I'm going to apply concept oriented. Concept, then it is shortcut. Let me take shortcut first. E power 8. So how to check which is we are having 4 multiple choice. Out of 4 multiple choice, which is the correct one means I told first property replace t equal to 0. Please listen, I'm replacing t equal to 0. Then e power a into 0. This is matrix I. Matrix I. Then A is a 2 by 2 matrix. Then I also 2 by 2 matrix. This is because of A is 2 by 2 matrix. Check it out. Multiple choice also 2 by 2 matrix. Yes or no? State transition matrix 2 by 2. So which if you replace in the multiple choice also you have to replace t equal to 0. If you replace t equal to 0, let me check multiple choice A. Multiple choice A. If replace t equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Yes or no? Multiple choice at t equal to 0, A become like this. It is not a I 2 by 2 matrix. Unit matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. It is not like that. Next, let me check multiple choice B. Use a different color. Multiple choice B. At t equal to 0, then B will become 1, 0, 0, 1. Yes, it may be. It may be. Yes, it is I. So answer may be B. Next, C. At t equal to 0, C will become 0, 1, 1, 0. It is not a unit matrix. D. T equal to 0, then option D will become 1, 0, 0, 1. Yes, it is also unit matrix. Now, by using property, you can eliminate A is, let me use a different color. A is not a correct answer. So, A is wrong. Then which is no? C also wrong. We have to check whether B is correct, D is correct. For that purpose, I'm going to use one more property. For this purpose, it is the first one, to eliminate options. It is the first property. To eliminate the option, I'm going to use one more property. That is enough. Even that is a 2 mark, 1 mark. Only to use two property to select which is the correct answer for a state transition matrix. Next one, let me take state transition matrix as it is. Phi of t equal to e power at. Then if you take the derivative on both sides, phi dash of t is equal to, what is the derivative of e power at? A into e power at. The derivative of e power at is a into e power at. Now I'm going to replace t equal to 0 on both sides. If I replace t equal to 0 on both sides, I'm going to get phi dash of 0 is equal to, check it out, a only. A into I, it is a only. Any doubts? That's all. The second one, we can get the exact answer. First property, to eliminate two options. Second property, among two, we have to select the best one by using second property. Check it out. That means first to take the, I'm going to use multiple choice A. Let me use a different color. I'm going to check multiple choice A. Multiple choice A, first you have to take the derivative. If you take the derivative of t is 1. Derivative of 1 is 0. 0, 1. Yes. The d by dt of t1, I think it is a 1 or 0. 1, 0. Take the derivative inside, then it become 1, 0, 0, 0. What I'm expecting? I'm expecting answer as A. Answer as A. Check the given question answer. A is, check the A is 0, 1, 0, 0. I'm expecting it is not A. It is not A. What is A? A is 0, 1, 0, 0. It is not A because after taking the derivative and putting 0, I am expecting A. Yes, taking the multiple choice derivative, I'm putting t equal to 0. I'm not getting A. Sorry, not required. A and C not required to check. Let me check B. B because A and C is eliminated. B is 10 T0. B is d by dt 10 T0. Take the derivative 0, 0, 1, 0. Yes, it is not A matrix. What is A matrix? It is A matrix. It is not A matrix. That is, it is not a 0, 1, 0, 0. Let me check D. It is not required to check here because already eliminated A. It is not required. Yes or no? It is not required. I have to check whether it's B or D. D is 1T 0T. D by dt of 1T 0T. 1T 0 T 1 1 1. It is a 1. So 0 1 0 0. Yes, it is matrix A. It is matrix A. That is 0 1 0 0. Yes. Now D is the correct answer. D is correct answer. Like that we have to check. Because I'm explaining step by step, it will take the time. If you have practice, then you can decide. Put t equal to 0, which one is giving unity matrix, and then take the derivative, which one is giving. You have to check all this. First, put t equal to 0 in multiple choice. Put t equal to 0, which is giving unity matrix, we can select unity matrix. Then those unity matrix can take the derivative. Taking derivative and put t equal to 0, then compare which will reflect this one, which will reflect matrix here. That is the correct answer. That is correct answer. Let me explain concept. In terms of concept, let me explain. Anyway, A is 0, 1, 1, 0. Use last slide. Yes. How to obtain as per the concept. Concept oriented. Phi of t formula is e power at, that equal to L inverse Si minus A whole inverse. First, I'm going to find, step 1, I'm going to find Si minus A. After that, I will find inverse First I'm going to find Si minus A. Then I will apply inverse. Then I apply L inverse. First I'm going to find Si minus A. Then inverse. After that L inverse. So Si minus A means S into I means 1 0 0 1 because A is 2 by 2 minus A 0 1 0 0. Then it will become send this S, and then if you take this one, it is a S minus 1 0 S. Second step, I'm going to find Si minus A whole inverse. You know how to obtain the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. It is a S minus 1 0 S, then inverse. In general, let me write somewhere if you don't know that inverse. So in general, A, B, C, D inverse matrix is 1 by AD minus BC into, we have to interchange these two positions. That is, this is the D, this is A. You have to change the sign of B and C. Don't interchange position. You have to change the sign of B, sign of C. This is the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. Yes, I'm taking 1 by AD. AD means S square minus 0 into minus 1. Now we have to interchange these two positions. Yes, it is yes. We have to change the sign of this one. It become plus 1. Then minus 0 plus 0 both are same. Now we can send the remainder to the inside. Whatever the denominator, this is I'm going to send inside. It is 1 by S square. You send inside S by S square, 1 by S square, 0 by S square. This is S by S square. Then it will become 1 by S, 1 by S square, 0, 1 by S. Third step, I'm going to apply L inverse. Third step, I'm going to apply L inverse. Check it out. L inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. L inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. This is nothing but a state transition matrix. That means apply L inverse of this 2 by 2 matrix. 0, 1 by S. If you take L inverse inside, you will get a L inverse of 1 by S, 1, L inverse of 1 by S square, T, L inverse of 0, then L inverse of 1 by S is 1. You check it out, D, let me come, 1T, 0, 1. 1T, 0, 1. I got this matrix. That is general concept. 1T, 0, 1. Check the answer, 1T, 0, 1. 1T, 0, 1. 1T, 0, 1. Yes, I got 1T, 0, 1. This is general procedure. Phi of t equal to e power at. It will take time. If you want as per the procedure, it will take time. If you want to avoid this all this procedure, we can use only two properties. You have to use only two properties. That is yes. Yes, I will close it now. That is
Set time.
yes, I will close it. So you know how to apply properties. First we can put a t equal to 0. Then among 4 multiple choice, we can eliminate 2. Then among 2, if you want to confirm, then you can use second property. Second property is phi dash of t is equal to a into e power at. Then replace t equal to 0. Then phi dash of 0 equal to a matrix. 100% is a matrix. Check. Take the derivative of remaining 2 multiple choice with respect to time. Then put t equal to 0. Then check which multiple choice is giving matrix A in the question itself. That's all. Tomorrow, next class also, I will solve 2 more problems. Check it out. Is also state transition matrix. It is also state transition matrix. By using same concept. Okay. 1 second, ma. I close it, guys. 1 second. And now, yes. 1 second. Let me stop recording.